Hi everyone, we are going to go out. We're gonna ride our bikes. There's Tom. Alright, yang ni cycle. Tengah the old cycle ga imeng campus China. Yang nak minga. Maybe yang ni helmet.
You're gonna ride. Well, you're gonna literally ride with your hat on.
I know.
You look goofy.
Why do you have a hat on?
All right, we're about to ride out. Again, Amy's got a fashion statement right there. Amber is just doesn't know what she's doing. No.
I ride to school.
And Michelle?
Yeah.
Hi.
Across town, trying to get to you. I've been keeping my phone on no sound, facing you out, that's true.
And now we are here at Milo Farm. This is the Milo Garden. Yan Milo campus ni may subaga no ah. Thang may surang arabi cherang no ya no.
You need extra exercise.
Well, I get exercise every day. I bike like 4 miles.
We biked up the hill. You guys didn't.
So because of home leave, most of the staff and students are gone, and Amber is taking care of one of the staff's animals, their pets, and she just came back from feeding them. And now she's going to feed the chickens here on the farm.
Ya do orang ko dao. Do orang na chanyo na minga.
Especially of this white one. This white one's like hates me.
Favorite one.
That white one.
Oh my gosh.
Yan Milo Academy School ni farm aru yan do orang badungan. Asunak naman ninga. Aru ya do orang na chanyo na kata Amber ko tao do nang ha may na tao mating di school chuti yung inga home leave o ani gaman staff rang inokam ka parang gamakaan chuti na ri ang tuka. Nga ya changde nga ya changode chuti na ri angja ino campus do dongru kani gaman Amber na ya kam ko do nang ha uni gaman bia inokam ka inga.
Oh, you just gotta rake it.
Yeah. Make sure that the edges are good so no fox comes in. Well, this is to make. I'm moving the soil. I mean the mulch so that. Can you move, please, chicken?
So, what are you supposed to do? Like, the seeds? Are you actually eating those seeds?
I'm supposed to feed them once a day.
I feed them in the morning and I feed them half a cup in the evening. But this also gives them food. Nope. Get back in. Get back in. And then I close the door so that they can't get out.
They're so loud.
Put that like that. Just, I don't know. That's what Mr. Jim did. This. Now we look for the eggs. Can you get out, please? This is where we look for the eggs. Looks like there's no eggs in there.
Đó đi độ chi đồng giá vì trong họ đảo đi độ chi chị ra con. Đúng hả? Oh, độ chi đồng xa đúng không ạ?
Throw the eggs.
No. The eggs, they go down here in the egg carton.
Độ chi của nó tụi ta.
So the chickens can't go to that little part.
But that's all I have to do in the evenings.
What do you do in the morning?
In the morning, I let them out and I give them more food. So during the summer months, I worked here in the farm, and I worked here for 8 hours a day. So I can give you a little bit of a tour because I kind of know some of the stuff is here. So in the high tunnels are the tomatoes or the greenhouses. There's tomatoes of all different sizes. We have big tomatoes, small tomatoes. I think these are the coolest. These aren't ripe yet, but they'll turn pink on this side.
Parang berarti rumit. Yan ibu. Purple. Parang belati. Dengkang rongrang banga. Cat rumit purple.
So all the food that is produced by the garden here, the best food goes to our Milo Market, which is kind of a self-serve little grocery store type of thing, small little farmers market. And then, of course, a lot of the food goes up to the cafeteria for the kids to eat because they prepare food for roughly 100 kids and pretty good for you.
All right, so these are all apple trees. There are many apple trees. Milo ni student rang kam kaa. Bisong salo bata kantagini rang farm mo kam kana nanga. Green leafy vegetables. Healthy and yummy.
These are also melons. I think these are watermelons.
Daja. And this one looks
Oh, honeydew.
honeydew, yeah. Right. Legrang bak inang. Aro ya cipak pa maya dengtang mi surang
Maya.
dao anda langing haw ni gumen nok chire phul ganok aro knal phungo reba thai mang do orang na cha anion thai na nangge apple.
Yeah, it's not the one I like as much. There's like 3 kinds of apples in that orchard. And this is the one I like the least. I just spent more time with them. Yeah, the outside. So we wear helmets because around campus we're required to, and it's for safety. We want to make sure that if we accidentally fall or get hurt,
Yeah, that's the campus safety rules. All right, you can see there, that's Milo Market. It's already closed now, but I'll show you. Yan Milo Market nga yan umi surang ko pala aro dengtang bosturang ko pala tao de atamahani gumen spaha. Ready to go, Amber? Oh, noko na spaha tao ang ade sekol karong jay mang namen kasan sa gai re bana nang ajok ning juk